What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you magnetic crocodile pattern series case for the iPhone X. So this case is magnetic, so I'm gonna try it in the car for the phone holder. Let's see if it will work. So you don't need the magnetic items to put on your phone, back of your phone. So this one is in the case. So currently I have this case for my iPhone X. I only have one case, so this will be the second. Let's cut here. So this is the case. Like this. So it feels good in the hand. I like it. Here it is. It's a really good looking case. You know, I put the link on the description. You got your cutouts, volume buttons, the power on. It's really good looking case. It's really it is. And it's magnetic, so you don't need to, like I said, you don't need the items to put on your back of your phone. With this, it's in the case, so it feels good. Yep, this is it. Thank you guys. What's up guys, I'm back on my car. So here I have the phone holder. It's magnetic, so I'm gonna try to see if the case is gonna work. So, and it does. So it's pretty good. So the case works. So it's really good. So this case is come with magnetic on the back in the mirror. So I don't need to, this magnetic has two parts items you put on your phone, which is now it's trash because it wasn't working. I mean, it get dirty on the back. So with this case, I just can't put it on, and it's all good. Yep. Thank you guys for watching. I see you guys on the next one. Peace.